Hi guys, so today I want to focus on options in Trimble Business Center. So in addition to project settings, we have something called options. So when you open your Trimble Business Center and go to your support tab, there are options. So I want to just go quickly through some of the highlights in there. So it will open to the graphics window option. So you can choose right here whether you want a black or a white background. Personally, I'm used to white because I do lots of digitizing based on the PDFs and stuff. Highlight color, cursor color, line marking color, and visual snap color. The one nice thing is, depending on your resolution, you can make your aperture pixel bigger or smaller, and the same thing goes for the highlight line width. So whenever you click on the line, it expands the line to make sure you see which one you have highlighted. You can make it bigger or smaller. So with the 4K or with the high resolution displays, the two might not be enough. Same thing as a big aperture might be just a little square. So trying to pick a point, it's quite tedious. The few other options which I like is the turn on the cat grips. It's when you have selected a line, you have those squares on the sides and one in the middle, so you can manipulate the line in kind of real life. Reverse zoom mouse wheels for you Mac users, limit rotation in 3D view, enhance surface visualization in plan view. It will give it that nice shading. Use large icons in quick access toolbar. You can change your fonts, and select polygons by edge, double precision patches. You can go through them. Important one is the graphics. So in case you have on your laptop or your desktop issues with the graphics, you might want to come here and select the OpenGL or Windows GDI. This might, I've seen that it will definitely improve your graphics glitching. Next one is the project management. Really useful as well, because if you are working with a server or some kind of cloud, you can basically directly point your project management and all the folders. You can pre-select all that over here, so you don't have to always hit browse and go to certain locations. Same goes for file locations. The Trimble synchronizer data location, it's important. I write on this computer, I have it on my C drive, but on the main computer, on my main workstation, I have it in a cloud. So I have this pointed to the cloud so I can pull in the data. Project templates, so you can change that here. Obviously, as a late, I don't know which revision, you can change that directly under new file, new. Languages, yes, you can change your languages if you have them installed. That's happening in installation. Context menu. So this is how many, when you right click, how many comments it will show, right? So if you are creating a line, then you are copying it, then it will show up to 5 comments. You can increase that number. So here are some settings for internet download, external services and profiles. This is where you want to preset your Trimble community login. So when you are dealing with the background maps, as we mentioned in previous videos, you are able to preset that, so you don't have to log in every single time. Here are some options for Trimble Connect. Where is it connecting? How right, Works Manager, you can preset that. Improvements program. This is where, in case the Business Center crashes or anything, it will send an email to Trimble to, hey, this crashed, blah blah blah. I always participate in that, because why not improve on Business Center. So for you guys which are doing baseline processing, photogrammetry, there's a few more different mobile mapping, point clouds, whole bunch of different settings. Images is one which I come across. Sometimes when you import, again, it depends on your graphics interface. Sometimes when you import a PDF or a background image, you you get downsample or it's not showing properly. So here are the settings. How can you downsample the background images so they load faster, they load nicer. And you have some process monitoring, network device, field data. Again, here is where you should, where is your SiteWorks report utility, and where are your machine configuration files. So you can point that again, if you have it in a cloud, just point it there. And if you are using a digitizer, you can still preset that in your business center and have, the big digitizer and utilize that. So this was just a quick overview of the options in Business Center. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like and bell and everything, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.